Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you two Fidget cubes that I bought from Walmart, and I think they're going to be amazing! So now let's get to it. So here is my Fidget cube. It's rainbow colored. And look around. Twing, 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 twing. And on the top. And now we're going to open it. It came out. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 categories, I think. And this is also a fidget. So all of the categories is like a part of the fidget. So here, this is a category that is like, there's a marble thing. And then you can press it. And there are some gears. I think these down. And there's also another category on top. And it's a little switch. And you press it with your fingers. It makes a good clicking sound. And there's also this part that is like a gliding motion thing. You put your finger on it. I'm going to use my thumb and then move it around. And there's also another category, and it's a category that like you just put your finger on it and then spin. And it also says Fidget Cube on it. If you can't see it, I don't think you can see it. It says Fidget Cube here. It's really small letters. Fidget Cube. And there's also a little dot thing. And you put your finger on that dot and then move. And there's also a smooth part. It's cut. Yeah. So you put your finger on it and you just do this or this funny thing. And there's also this little button. These buttons are great, I think. Yeah, they're great. They feel awesome. And there are 2 buttons that don't make a sound. They're silent. And there are 3 that make sounds. So I think those are all the categories on this Fidget cube. So I also have another Fidget cube. It has the same categories, and it's purple and pink. And look at that for you to see. The case is not, like the top of the case is not coming out. Come out. Well, it's not listening. But I got it out. So this Fidget cube, everything's the same, so I don't need to tell you. So, buttons, those little gears and the moving revolve. You can also press it. And the glider, the smooth part. The switches, and this. Yes. Look. Now, I'm actually just going to let you hear the sounds. This side kind of sounds like Pop It. Yeah, and then this. Actually, this switch makes a louder noise than that one. Here it is. And this one. Quieter, right? And so I'm going to tell you which side I like the most and rate them. So I think this gliding part is 7.5 out of 10, I guess. And this switch, let's say 8 out of 10. And this spot, let's say 8 out of 10 too. Smooth part, I would say 5 out of 10. The buttons, 10 out of 10, the best one. And this part, and the gears and the buttons, the whole thing. 7 out of 10. So I guess that's all. And just for a reminder, remember these are Warmark. And remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye!